guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the Jeffree Star Winter Mystery Boxes. I have the mini here and the Supreme. So yeah, without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. There's like empty. This is how it looks when you first open it. And this is what comes in it. Okay, so first we have the gloss, and this one is in the shade Beaded Glass. Cool. I really like how the packaging is on these ones, like the nude top. If I can get it out. Okay. Excuse me. That's how that one looks. So this is nice. I don't have that shade, so it's cool. And Family Jewels. I've been seeing this shade a lot, and I really like how it looked in videos. So let me see. Ooh. I like it. Let's swatch it. That's how that one looks. And next thing we have is this Velour Lip Scrub in Diet Root Beer. I already have one of these. Like not this one, but like a Diet Root Beer one. No, a root beer one I have. So, I don't know. I will see what I do with this one. I'll show you guys though, if I can open it. This is the Shane Dawson collection. So, it looks like this. Let me smell it. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of root beer, so we'll see what I do with this. I'm also gonna have a giveaway throughout this video, so we'll see what I give away. So yeah, so that's everything that's in this box. And now let's move on with the big one. If I can open it. Upsis, ya rompí lo que había adentro. So this is this one, it's heavy. And the first thing I see on this one is a makeup bag. Sorry, my sisters are freaking out. I seen that I kind of saw some spoilers. Again, my bad. I couldn't hold it. But I really wanted the black one. This has a little zipper. Cute. It's actually really big. I thought these were smaller. Hey, well, now I have the makeup bag, just in case. But we'll see about this. And, ooh. The next thing I have is a hoodie. I used to have one. Well, I had gotten one for Christmas, but it was too big and I returned it. And then at the end, I didn't end up buying a smaller size. So, yeah. I like this one. But I had seen the pink one that's coming in the boxes, and I kind of wanted the pink one. But, I mean, a hoodie is a hoodie. So this is how it looks. It's kind of like the shirt. It's almost like exactly like the shirt. Except it doesn't have a big snowflake on the back. It's just white. I like it. Imagine me. Ya lo embarré. It's all dirty now. Okay. So then we got this one. The next thing I see, I already have this one. Cremated palette. Oopsies, my bad. My bad again. I probably shouldn't have opened it, and I should have showed you my other one. But quién sabe dónde. So I already kind of messed it up, but I'm actually gonna try to just not gonna mess with it because I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet. And this one is mine. I haven't used it yet. I just looked at it. I bought this one because I wanted it, but I haven't even used it yet, so that's how it looks. I like it. I need to use it. I've been telling myself I was going to use it. I was going to use it for New Year's, but then I was like, no, maybe not today. But I'm going to do a tutorial with this pretty soon, so stay tuned for that too. So that was mine. Let's put it over here. The next thing I have is the gloss. And this one is in Safe Word. Ooh, this one is gold. This is how it looks. I don't know how I feel about this one. It's really pretty, but I'm gonna look like a disco ball. I'll see. I don't know how I feel about it yet, so I won't even swatch it. The next thing that's in here is another lip scrub. I'm gonna keep this one for sure. I love strawberries. Strawberries are my favorite thing ever. So this one is in Strawberry Gum. I love anything strawberries. Sorry, my sisters are having a party. Okay, so this is how it looks. And it smells good. Smells good. And the next thing I have is sarcophagus. I've seen a whole bunch of people get, what is it? What is it under? What's the one I was using? I've seen a whole bunch of people get Peach Goddess. I thought that's what I was gonna get, and I was gonna give it to my sisters, but then we'll see. I don't know how it. Is it broken? No, it's not broken. Oh my god, that's pretty. This might actually work for me. Well, I actually really enjoy his Skin Frost way better than his what are they called? What are they called? What are they called? Extreme Frost. Yeah, I like this more than the Extreme Frost. I feel like these are more blinding. The other ones are really glittery. And the next thing I see is a mirror. I actually only have two. Yeah, I have the Jeffree Star approved one and a black one that's kind of lost somewhere in my house. I wanted this one. I wanted it. It looks so cool. I was honestly praying that I get this one because I really like it. I was honestly wanting this one so bad. I'm so happy. I've seen a whole bunch of people get different ones, but I really wanted this white one. So I'm so excited for that. Oh my god. The next thing I have is the translucent setting powder, and I really wanted this for a while. I did get, I think it's called beige. My sister will get it. I think it's okay. Anyways, as I was saying, I wanted the translucent powder for the longest time, but I was trying to get it from Morphe since Morphe was discontinuing his stuff. So they didn't have translucent, so I ended up getting beige, which actually fits me really good too. So I'm happy that I tried like a darker color, like an actual color, because I'm always like, translucent is the way to go for everything, because I am horrible at getting something that actually matches me. So I'm happy because they smell so good. Like cotton candy. So yeah, I'm not mad because I go through setting powders so fast, so I'm happy with that. And the next thing I got is 𝕬𝕦𝕓𝕚 mini liquid lipstick set. And let me fix them because they're falling. So this is how this one is. I really like that shade. Like, I love anything like peachy or like orangey. It's just for me. So I'm so excited. This is my first Velour liquid lipstick mini set. And I'm excited. I don't know about if I'll keep the whole thing. I'll probably give my sister some of them. But we'll see. Because I already have like half of them. I already have them. So I don't need them anymore. So yeah. Have that one. And the next thing is the Jeffree Star ornaments. I wanted one of these so bad. Like, I was so sad I didn't purchase them. Like, when he was selling the sets, I was so sad because I wanted one so bad. But like, at first I was like, I don't know. And then like later I was like, I want one so bad, but they were already sold out. So I wanted the soft touch ones, by the way, so that's why I didn't end up getting the other one. But now I have one. Oh my god, it feels so good. Honestly, Christmas is over, but maybe touch-up mirror right here and there. My sister really wants this really bad. My sisters want it so bad. And I don't know. I'm trying to decide. Should I give it to them or should I keep it? I don't know. I want it so bad. I have to decide. But she wants to touch it, so. So yeah, guys, that is everything that came in here. So we got the mirror, so that's one. We got Cremated, which is two. We got the, where did I put it? Sorry guys, I made a mess. I'm trying to get my life together right here. And then we got the magic powder. That's three things. Sarcophagus, which is 4. The lip gloss, which is 5. The lip scrub that I have no idea where I left it. Oh, that's 6. Then the bag, 7, 8 with the liquid lipsticks, and 9. This is an exclusive one, and also, what did I drop? Oh, and the ornament is the 10th thing. I'm actually really happy and excited, and I'm so happy that I actually got everything and that nothing was broken, because a lot of people were complaining because their stuff arrived damaged, and I am so happy that nothing from mine came damaged. So yeah, guys. Okay, guys, so I finally decided, and I'm gonna be giving out the, what is it? The Jeffree Star Velour Lip Scrub and Diet Root Beer, the Shane Dawson collection. I'm not a big fan of root beer, so there's no point in me keeping it. I already have the strawberry gum one, and on the last mystery boxes I got the blue raspberry one. So yeah, I'm gonna be giving this away, and I'm also gonna be giving out the gloss. I decided I'm not gonna keep it, I'm not gonna hoard it, I'm gonna give it away to somebody that will actually use it. So this one is in the shade Safe Word. And yeah, so there's gonna be okay, my sisters say 2 winners, so we'll go with 2 winners. And if you want to enter the giveaway, all you have to do to enter is be subscribed to my channel. Make sure you click that notification bell so you can get notified every single time I upload a new video. Follow me on Instagram and comment down below your favorite color, your favorite animal, or anything nice that you want to let me know. And also make sure that in that comment you put a way that I can contact you just in case you are the winner of this giveaway. Hey guys, I'm currently at work. Sorry, I look like a hot mess. I needed a filter because your girl needs help. But I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know that my sisters will have an unboxing up on their channel. They'll be unboxing the premium and the deluxe boxes, so make sure to go check that out. But I just wanted to let you guys know they will also have a giveaway on their video, so make sure to go enter that one as well if you want to. And good luck to everybody, and we'll see you guys later. And yeah guys, that's everything for this video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!